Welcome to our Gelato Practical Online course. Let's review a summary of gelato and what is the difference between gelato and ice cream. Concept of gelato. Gelato is basically a type of ice cream made with very good quality raw materials. It's naturally flavored with fresh fruits. There are different flavors and variations with syrups on top to create different textures with flavors. They are decorated and exposed in a display case. It is more consistent than other ice cream, and to produce it we will use the ice cream P because gelato will be extracted colder and more consistent from this machine. The consistent texture has connection to less air incorporated. Overrun or air incorporation percentage will be around 30 to 40%. If you have interest to know about the ingredients, watch our popsicle and ice cream online courses. If you have interest to know about recipe balancing, watch our balancing online course. Today we will produce 5 recipes: mango sorbeto, passion fruit, guava sherbet, that is a recipe with milk but with low amounts of fat, tiramisu and pistachio milk-based flavor using the following machines: Mixer 15, Blast Freezer, and the Ice Clean P.